I'm Morgan Mills with FloodGate Medical, and I lead our cardiology, commercial, and clinical talent acquisition. Last week, I attended this year's ACC at nowhere better than the nation's capital. It was an action-packed event of educational programs and exhibitors. The expo housed 250 plus companies showcasing advances in pharmaceuticals, imaging, devices, and health IT. We ran into some pretty forward-thinking companies that I'll highlight on today's Buzz Report, and it's awesome to see these innovators truly improving quality of life for those living with cardiovascular disease. First, a super passionate company in the space, Impulse Dynamics, has pioneered the Optimizer Smart System, which is a minimally invasive implantable device that treats patients experiencing moderate to severe CHF symptoms. The system precisely delivers timed electric pulses called cardiac contractility modulation therapy. They've seen drastic results, and we even learned that patients receiving this treatment were seeing reductions in their heart classifications, and that CCM signals have an impact on gene expression, resulting in beneficial molecular reverse remodeling. Some powerful patient stories from this growing leader. Next, AliveCor displayed their newly launched KardiaMobile card, a portable, durable, personal EKG that goes anywhere you go. They are looking to democratize this EKG with a single-channel device that fits in the wallet, allowing vertically integrated health systems and payers to provide a low-friction monitoring solution. They will have the ability to custom brand the device so they can also create brand and heart health recognition for those institutions. Another company truly living out their mission was Omron Healthcare. They've established themselves as a market leader and 90% plus market share in the direct-to-consumer space. And now they are performing better than ever since the pandemic with VitalSight, the first remote patient monitoring service. They can now order their blood pressure monitoring devices and data hub directly to the patient's home. They have the support needed to educate and set up those devices at the patient's home, easily ready to use once it's delivered. They can then ensure this information is getting back to the physicians and hospital systems for improved patient care. In this new model of convenience, hypertension management, and full transparency, combined with the ability to reimburse on RPM codes, we believe will ensure some pretty great success for this newer startup company. Shockwave Medical is another booth I couldn't miss, a company that has pioneered the development of intravascular lithotripsy to treat severely calcified cardiovascular disease. They saw a challenge with current stent placement and other procedures with severe calcification, used a trusted technology, lithotripsy, that was originally used to break kidney stones for more than 3 decades before. And now they're able to use the same technology to safely modify calcium while significantly reducing the risk of cardiovascular complications to make procedures more predictable and efficient. Last but certainly not least, the discoverers of the first neurostimulation device for heart failure, CVRX. They have a unique solution, barostim therapy, that is a simple and implantable device that works by stimulating baroreceptors, natural sensors in your body that tell the nervous system how to regulate heart, kidney, and vascular function. These effects reduce the heart's workload and help it pump more efficiently, helping relieve the symptoms of heart failure and improve quality of life. They have seen significant growth over the last year with no signs of slowing down. The global cardiovascular devices market is expected to grow to nearly $24 billion over the next 4 years due to a number of factors, from rising incidence of cardiac diseases, growth of insurance providers, availability of advanced diagnostic methods, a greater emphasis on preventative and efficient remote monitoring devices, and advancements in minimally invasive treatment options, some highlighted here today. Thank you to all of the cardiology innovators, from major players to new startups. It's incredible to see how these cardiovascular diagnostics and therapies will advance care, prevent lethal cardiovascular complications, and improve overall cardiovascular health and symptom management. And in case I missed anything, feel free to share some other exciting things from the show. I look very forward to next year's trade show.